Ayun. Guys, hello. What's up? What's up? Darsky here. Ayun. Sorry nga pala guys at hindi ako nakapag-upload ng reaction ko sa mga videos ni Mr. Norman Mangusin versus Mr. MG Makagago. What's up, man? Later mag-upload po ako regarding that at magre-react din ako sa latest videos ni Mr. MG against to Mr. Norman Mangusin. But first things first, and guys, I need your guys' help. I need at least 50 subscribers so that I could use the platform, the so-called online live, actually I'm sorry, live platform of YouTube. Please subscribe. 50 lang po yung hinihingi ko. Hopefully you guys could help me out. And also regarding to the messages I've been received, kung paano po ba ang buhay dito sa US bilang Filipino. As a Filipino based here in US, particularly in California, mahirap po ang buhay dito if hindi ka kakayod. Pangalawa, mahirap dito if tamad ka. Pangatlo, you have to know what is your priority and you have to know what is your purpose. And also, huwag kang mapili sa trabaho if ever na wala kang degree. Kaya payo ko sa lahat, if ever you guys have a chance na mag-aral, you do study, finish your studies. And also, para rin sa inyo yan, para pagdating nyo dito, para sumaba kayo sa gera, meron kang baril at bala. But sa mga hindi naman nakatapos, o kung hindi nakatapos, wag lang kayong maging tawag dito, maging choosy sa trabaho. Kahit anong trabaho, do it. Later on, pag okay na kayo, saka naman makakapili naman kayo in the future. Like for me before, I only have a one job, and then suddenly I felt like it's not enough, and then yun nga, medyo nagkaroon tayo ng kaguluhan sa buhay, and medyo napariwara. But I keep myself intact, and I keep up my mind, at nag-isip akong maigi, ano bang mangyayari sa akin if ever hindi ako mag-aayos. So right now, suddenly after one job, I got two jobs, and then I have from the retail store, and then I have the restaurant as a cook, and then suddenly I said, it's not enough. And then I told myself, okay, I have to let go yung trabaho ko sa restaurant, and I have to choose which one is better and suits my needs. And also nung naisip ko, okay, ano rin naman for about almost 3 years, I think, or 4 years na naging 2 jobs ako. And then suddenly I have to decide, and then nag-decide ako. Right now I have 3 jobs. Mahirap siya kung sa mahirap, but you have to do time management. At the moment right now, na siguro nakakatulog ako 4 hours a day, 3 to 4 hours, sometimes 2 hours lang. The worst part is sometimes less than an hour. Saka I can sleep less than an hour. So that's the worst case scenario. Kasi sometimes ang pasok ko is from 12 midnight to 9 a.m. and then suddenly may pasok ako sometimes 12 noon or sometimes 10 a.m. and then uuwi ako around 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. and then suddenly after an hour, yun lang, tutulog ako ng 1 hour, 10 to 11 or 10:30 to 11:30, and then suddenly magpre-prepare na ako going to back to work for my 12 midnight. And now, sometimes, ngayon, ginagawa ko, dahil 3 jobs na ako, I fix my schedule. I prioritize whatever I needed to go in a week. Kung halimbawa gusto kong lumabas with my family, I have to plan ahead, like 3 weeks ahead actually. Right now, I'm in 2 retail store. Trabaho ko sa 2 malaking company na retail store, and then 1 theme park. So, it's very hectic kasi wala kang pahinga, pero kailangan alagaan mo rin sarili mo. Take vitamins, eat a healthy food. Huwag ka masyado sa soda kasi kung minsan bibigay katawan mo. So, yun. And sa trabaho ko naman is pag pumapasok ako sa 2 kong trabaho sa retail store, at pag may day off ako sa isa, doon naman ako pumapasok sa pangatlo kong trabaho as a cook, line cook sa theme park. So ayoko kasing bitawan yun kasi maraming benefits na nakukuha doon sa company na yun. So I still enjoy working right there. And ayun, yun lang, share ko lang kasi marami nagtatanong paano ba yung buhay dito sa Amerika. It's not easy, but it's not that complicated. Kailangan lang maging focus ka, mindset mo, trabaho, and also kailangan alagaan mo rin sarili mo. Ayun. Saka, yun nga pala kay Mr. Mangusin, sana ganun na lang gawin mo. Trabaho ka na lang kaysa yung tira-tira ka ng tao. So, pakinggan mo na lang si Mr. MG. Mag-repent ka. Ginaya ko nga si Mr. MG. Idol ko talaga si Mr. MG. So, ginaya ko yung sinabi niya, repent as in repent talaga, as in no turning back. Repent and move forward. Kaya hopefully soon makakapag-upload na ako ng mga reaction ko regarding those videos ni Mr. Makagago and Mr. FLM, so called Mr. Mangusin. And hopefully guys, you guys like it, my topic for tonight. Actually, I only have my lunch break, so 30 minutes lang ito. So quick quick videos for you guys. And hopefully you guys like, share, and subscribe for me so that I could use the live platform of YouTube. Yun lang po. Okay, see you next time. Peace out.